All new tonight, more witnesses and evidence introduced tonight in the second day of the trial to decide whether or not to remove Councilmember Anthony Piagentini from his council seat. WHAS 11 Night Team's Alex Dieterer and photojournalist Elijah McKenzie were back in the council chambers tonight. And Alex, more witnesses. Who took the stand tonight?
Well, Doug, we heard from two witnesses today in the ethics trial of Anthony Piagentini. The original ethics complaint against Piagentini was filed by Kevin Fields. He's the CEO of an organization that was seeking the same grant money Piagentini's future employer received, a move the first witness agreed with in her testimony tonight.
Had you planned to file a complaint if Mr. Fields had not?
Yes.
Former Chief of Civic Innovation and Technology for Louisville Metro Government Grace Simrall took the stand, testifying she would have filed an ethics complaint if Kevin Fields had not. She told the council court she was surprised to hear Anthony Piagentini had accepted a role with the Louisville Healthcare CEO Council, or CEOC. He had co-sponsored an ordinance allocating that same organization $40 million in federal funds just weeks before, then took a six-figure job with the group that got the money.
When this was disclosed, there was an audible gasp in the room.
In her role with Metro government, Simrall was responsible for scoring the applications for American Rescue Plan grant funds. Simrall testified the application from CEOC scored very low, 29 out of 30 of eligible projects.
This would be, in fact, for the CEOC, a startup for them. They did not have the staff yet for this project. They had never done this before, as far as we could tell, at least everything that they submitted in their application. And it would be really difficult to achieve the outcomes.
Former Metro Council member Bill Hollander was also called as a witness. He was at the council meeting where Piagentini abstained from voting on the ordinance he co-sponsored for the funding. Hollander said Piagentini did not abide by the abstention rules laid out by the federal government.
And the rules, which were in the final rule, which I had read, said that undisclosed personal or organizational conflicts of interest, whether in fact or appearance, were not allowed in allocating federal recovery money. And so I think we potentially would have had a problem with the federal government.
Piagentini's attorney, Brooke Smith, showed multiple videos of other Metro Council meetings where other council members abstained and did not disclose why. Hollander said abstentions were rarely questioned, citing trust in other council members. More witnesses and evidence are expected to be presented tomorrow. We will be right back in the council chambers with the latest information for you from the trial. In studio, Alex Dieterer, the WHAS 11 Night Team, on your side.